हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम देखने वाले मेजरिंग द जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन. सो लाइक एटीट्यूड, देर आर द सम द नंबर ऑफ द वे वी कैन मेजर द जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन. सो उसमें दो दिए गए हैं. वन इज द सिंगल ग्लोबल रेटिंग एंड द सेकंड वन इज द समेशन स्कोर. ठीक है. सो सबसे पहले देखते हैं हम सिंगल ग्लोबल रेटिंग. द एम्प्लॉइज are asked to respond to the one question. So you can take any question as an example, like considering the all dimension of the job, how satisfied are you with your job? This is the question or this is the example. So employee need to respond by the reporting a figure based on the rating scale. So rating scale is available is there from there 1 to 5. So first is a rating. अगर first होगी so it is a highly dissatisfied. Second होगी तो it is a dissatisfied. Third होगी तो no comment. Fourth one is the satisfied and fifth one is the highly satisfied. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे क्या करना है, एक सिंगल क्वेश्चन को उस एम्प्लॉय को रिस्पॉन्स करना है और उसको स्केलिंग देना है. सो दैट इज द मेजरिंग ऑफ अ जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन. सेकंड चीज हम देखेंगे summation score. The summation score consider employees attitude toward the various aspect of the job. Okay, so कुछ हम important aspect देखते हैं जैसे कि work itself, supervision, pay, promotion, opportunities, relationship with the co-workers. These are the some important aspect through which we can generate the summation score. So in a summation score, there are the some more way measuring the job satisfaction. That is the one of the interview. So interview में क्या होगा? In this method, employee are interviewed personally, and as per their interview, they measure their job satisfaction. And next is the action tendency. Under this method, what they do, information is gathered about how the employees were inclined to avoid or join the certain things relating to their job. So that is the action tendencies. Next, the critical incidents. So in this approach, or you can say that in this method, employees are asked to identify the specific incident on their job in which they were particularly satisfied or the dissatisfied. So in this case, it might be possible that incidence is a maybe a old incidence or a current incidence. So that is the critical incidence. So thank you so much.